Have you ever found yourself staring at the humidity percentage on a weather app and thinking, I wish I could just drink that? Or maybe you've looked at the pile of food scraps after dinner and felt guilty about throwing them in the trash, but you just don't have the time or space to start a compost pile? We are living in a weirdly wonderful time where technology is finally catching up to the problems that actually annoy us in daily life. I've been digging through some new releases, and I found a handful of gadgets that are solving these issues in really clever ways. From making water out of thin air to a dryer that fits in your suitcase, these are things that actually make you go, wait, that's possible? Let's dive into these finds. First up, we have something that feels like science fiction, but it's real. This is the Kara Pod. So the concept here is wild. It is the world's first mineral water and coffee maker that creates its water entirely from the air. The creators were actually inspired by a beetle in the Namib desert, a place where it almost never rains. This little beetle survives by capturing moisture on its shell and drinking it. The Kara Pod basically replicates that survival superpower on your kitchen counter. It uses something called air drive technology. It pulls in the air from your room, extracts the moisture, and runs it through a serious multi-stage purification system. It heats the moisture to distill it, blasts it with UV light to neutralize bacteria, and passes it through a carbon filter. But here is the key difference. Distilled water usually tastes flat, so the Kara Pod actually adds essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and sodium back in. The result is that this machine can generate up to 3.2 liters, that's about 13 cups of premium mineral-rich drinking water every single day. And because it's pulling moisture, it actually acts as a mild dehumidifier and air purifier for your room at the same time. But the pod in the name stands for coffee. It has a built-in brewing system that is compatible with Nespresso-style pods. A really important detail here is the dual nozzle design. They built two completely separate water lines, one for the coffee and one for pure water. This means you never get that weird coffee aftertaste in your glass of water, and you aren't watering down your espresso. The pros are huge if you are tired of buying bottled water. You eliminate the plastic waste, you stop hauling heavy cases of water from the store, and you don't need to mess with plumbing or installation. You just plug it in. The con to consider is that because it relies on humidity, the production speed might dip slightly if you live in an incredibly dry environment, though they claim it works even in low humidity. It's a fascinating 2-in-1 device that makes sustainability effortless. Next, let's talk about the messy side of the kitchen, food waste. This is the Onevita waste robot. If you have ever tried composting, you know the struggle. It smells, it attracts flies, and it takes 3 to 6 months to actually turn into soil. Most electric composters on the market right now are actually just dehydrators. They dry out the food scraps, but they don't break them down biologically. The Onevita is different because it creates actual compost in just 8 hours. The secret sauce here is a dual enzyme system. It uses a decomposer agent to break down oils and sugars and a fermentation agent to speed up the microbial process. This is critical because oils and sugars are usually what make compost smell bad and rot. By breaking those down first, the Onevita can handle 95% of your food waste, everything from vegetable peels and eggshells to bread and cheese, without the funk. It has a few different modes depending on your needs. There is a quick 2-hour or 4-hour mode if you just want to reduce the volume of your trash by 90%, which is amazing for keeping your main trash bin from overflowing. But if you want that nutrient-rich fertilizer for your garden, you run the 8-hour cycle. The biggest pro here is the odor control. They went overboard on this, which is great. It has an ion cooling chamber to stop spoilage, a system to break down smelly oils, a condenser to capture moisture, and a dual-layer activated carbon filter. It's basically a fortress against bad smells. Another thing worth noting is the motor. They claim it's tested for 10,000 hours, whereas many competitors burn out around 1,000 hours. The only con is that you do have to buy the enzyme additives to get that true composting result, so there is a small ongoing cost. But if you want to go green without the mess, this is the way to do it. Now let's switch gears to a piece of tech that is designed to disappear. This is the MIUI board Gen 2. We are all suffering from a bit of screen fatigue. We have phones, tablets, TVs, and smartwatches constantly demanding our attention. The MIUI board is built on the philosophy of calm technology. When it's off, it just looks like a beautiful sanded piece of real natural wood on your wall. It doesn't look like a gadget at all. But when you touch the wood surface, an LED interface glows through the grain. It acts as a smart home hub that supports the new Matter standard. This means it plays nice with almost everything: Google Home, Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Samsung SmartThings. You can use it to dim the lights, check the weather, or set a timer, all without getting sucked into a colorful, distracting screen full of notifications. One of the most charming features is the family messaging system. You can use the mobile app to send a message to the board, and it appears on the wood. You can even leave handwritten notes or voice memos. It feels much more personal than a text message. It brings a bit of that note on the fridge nostalgia into the modern era. The main reason to check this out is for your mental well-being. It allows you to stay connected and in control of your smart home without bringing another Black Mirror into your family space. It keeps you in the moment. The con, obviously, is that it is minimalist by design. You aren't going to watch YouTube videos or check your security camera feed on this. It's not a tablet replacement, it's a lifestyle choice for a calmer home. Moving on to the air we breathe, let's look at the Swasher Pro. If you own an air purifier, you know the pain of buying replacement HEPA filters. They are expensive, and when you throw the old ones away, they often aren't recyclable. The Swasher Pro is a filterless air purifier that uses the power of water to clean the air. Here is how it works. It creates two powerful vortexes, tornadoes of water and air, inside the tank. It uses carbon fiber electrodes to give dust particles a slight electric charge. These charged particles are then magnetically drawn into the water vortex where they get trapped. It can capture pollutants as small as 0.01 microns, which includes ultrafine dust, pollen, smoke, and even viruses. Because it uses water, it works with whatever water you have. You can use tap water, rainwater, or even hard water. The machine doesn't care. And when the water gets dirty, you just dump it out and refill it. No filters to buy, no waste to burn. The pros are definitely the cost savings and sustainability. Operating this costs next to nothing after you buy it. It's also very quiet, running at about 25 decibels in sleep mode, which is barely a whisper. Plus, it acts as a gentle humidifier. The trade-off is that it requires a bit more active maintenance than a standard purifier. You have to change the water regularly to keep it hygienic. You can't just ignore it for 6 months like a HEPA filter. But for the savings and the lack of waste, that's a trade a lot of people are willing to make. Now, for those of us who love the idea of plants but lack a green thumb, meet the PlantBot. This is an adorable little robot planter that essentially gives your plant a voice. It's packed with sensors that monitor 4 key things: soil moisture, light levels, temperature, and water tank levels. It takes all that data and translates it into an expression on the screen. If your plant is thirsty, the PlantBot looks sad. If it needs more sun, it tells you. It has over 100 different emojis to communicate exactly what your plant needs. It takes the guesswork out of gardening. It's compatible with over 50 different types of indoor plants, so you just tell the app what you planted, and it customizes the care routine. But it's more than just a monitor, it's a companion. It has a companion mode where it interacts with you using voice and animations. It tracks the plant's life from a seed, showing you a visual journey of its growth. It even has OTA, over-the-air updates, so the developers can add new expressions and features over time for free. The pro here is that it makes plant care fun and foolproof. It's fantastic for beginners or for getting kids interested in biology. It turns a chore into a relationship. The downside is that it's an electronic device, so unlike a normal pot, it needs to be plugged in or charged, which might limit where you can place it in your house. But as a desk buddy, it's perfect. For the pet owners watching, we have the AirDog P50. We talked about air purifiers earlier, but this one is specifically designed for households with fur babies. The AirDog P50 markets itself as the world's first washable pet air purifier. It tackles the specific problems pet owners face: dander, hair, and that distinct pet smell. Instead of a HEPA filter that clogs up with dog hair in a week, this uses TPA halo technology. This creates a high-voltage electric field that zaps bacteria and allergens instantly. It then traps the physical debris like hair and dust on a collecting plate. The best part? You can pull that plate out and wash it in the sink. You dry it off, put it back in, and it's like new. It's incredibly effective, removing 98.3% of cat dander and 99.9% of certain viruses. It also has a special photocatalytic filter that breaks down odors at a molecular level rather than just masking them. It can scrub the air in a 323 square foot room in just 15 minutes. Design-wise, they made a really smart choice. The top of the unit is flat and designed as a cat tray. They know cats love to sit on warm humming appliances, so they just leaned into it and made it a comfortable spot for your pet. The pro is the reusable filter. You will save a fortune not buying replacements. The con is similar to the swasher. You do have to actually wash the filter yourself. But for a home that smells fresh without the recurring cost, it's a winner. Finally, we have a solution for travelers and apartment dwellers, the ICTK. This is a portable AI dryer. We've all been there. You're on a business trip or in a tiny apartment, you wash a shirt, and it's still damp when you need to wear it. The ICTK is a compact device that unfolds to hang your clothes. It's surprisingly high-tech for something so small. It uses an AI algorithm to control the temperature, keeping it between 65 and 75 degrees Celsius. This is the sweet spot that dries fabric quickly but prevents heat damage. It uses a downward airflow combined with upward hot steam circulation to dry things evenly. But it doesn't just dry, it sanitizes. It has a built-in UV LED sterilization system that uses the 200 to 280 nanometers wavelength to kill bacteria and mites. This is amazing for underwear or baby clothes where hygiene is super important. It even has a slot where you can add an aromatherapy tablet if you want your clothes to smell like lavender or fresh linen. It operates at just 35 decibels, which is quieter than a library, so you can run it in a hotel room without keeping yourself awake. The massive pro is portability. It's small enough to throw in a carry-on. The con is capacity. You aren't going to dry a week's worth of laundry in this. It's strictly for small batches and quick fixes. But for those specific moments, it's a lifesaver. All of these products are proof that tech doesn't have to be cold and industrial. It can be natural, it can be sustainable, and it can solve the little things that bug us every day. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Share this video with a friend who is obsessed with cool gadgets, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next one. These products are not mine and not sponsored. I'm only sharing them for those interested in new tech finds.